Click on the link below to get price. The XPOWER LGR Commercial Dehumidifier is a powerful solution for those seeking efficient moisture control in various settings, including basements, construction sites, and water-damaged areas. With a robust water removal capacity of 165 pints per day, this dehumidifier excels at creating a comfortable and healthy environment, especially in high-humidity situations. One of the standout features of the XPOWER LGR is its energy-efficient design. Operating at just 115 volts and 10.2 amps, it strikes a great balance between performance and power consumption, making it an economical choice for both commercial and residential applications. This dehumidifier is not only effective but also aims to reduce energy costs over time, which is a significant plus for anyone concerned about utility bills. The construction quality is commendable. It features a durable housing that can withstand the rigors of commercial use. Its compact design makes it easy to transport, while the ergonomic handle and lightweight build enhance mobility, allowing users to move it effortlessly from one location to another. In terms of functionality, the XPOWER LGR boasts an intuitive control panel with a digital display, making it simple to set desired humidity levels. The automatic shutoff feature ensures that the unit stops operating once the water tank reaches capacity, preventing overflow and potential messes. It also includes a continuous drainage option, which is ideal for extended use, allowing for unattended operation. Noise levels are surprisingly low for a unit of this capacity, which is crucial for environments where silence is preferred, such as libraries or offices. The XPOWER LGR dehumidifier proves to be a reliable workhorse, with consistent performance and effective moisture control. Overall, this dehumidifier is a fantastic investment for anyone needing serious humidity management, combining efficiency, durability, and user-friendly features in a compact package. Whether for professional use or home applications, it delivers solid results, making it highly recommended for those in need of a dependable moisture removal solution.